What's up, guys? We get a lot of questions about the individual parts and pieces of my kit, so we're going to break this thing down piece by piece as we go across. So we're going to start out with my everyday carry, my concealment system here. This is something that we're beyond prototyping. We're going to be introducing this holster in October. So we have an aluminum claw that's adjustable for height, a belt clip in two different sizes, 1.5, 1 3/4, and adjustable for ride height and can angle. So this is what I'm running here. We have the ability to put a mag carrier on the front of this, and also going to have the ability to put loops on the backside that attach to this backside of the claw here. So this is going to be an inside, outside the waistband, full concealment kit. So I'm running this one right now. This is non-light bearing. I do recommend that you run a light on your everyday carry, but currently while I'm testing this product, I need to test all the different products. So I've been running this constantly for quite some time now. This is a X-Macro, Sig X-Macro. This one's integrally compensated. I'm running a Holosun EPS carry on it. So I've got this set up this way to replicate my primary sidearm. So I've got a 509T, so it's an enclosed emitter. It's basically a large version of that EPS carry. So I'm running a Surefire X300 Ultra on it in a light bearing holster with a quick disconnect and a DVL2. This is a core belt. So I've got Victos gloves on a climbing carabiner. Tourniquet I keep up front here so I can access it with my left hand. I tend to only run 2 mag carriers. These are our auto retention pistol mag carriers, so I run them on Molly DM2s so that I have full access to the backside of my belt, so that I get good contact on my inner belt always. I run a single AR mag carrier on my battle belt. This is a 511 dump pouch. I'm not married to it, something I had put on my belt and I haven't really taken it off. It is a good dump pouch. It's a little bit large. Josh is running a Frontline Fiberco, something that mounts underneath the mag carrier. Those are cool. I'll probably be getting one of those. This is a Blue Force Gear IFAK. I've got this loaded down pretty heavily. And I run a leg strap on all of my holsters. It's just a little more comfortable for me. I don't get any belt twist at all, so I do like to run that way. Take a look at this rifle here. This is kind of my go-to for most environments. It's a Vortex for HD 1-6. I like an LPVO, although I do like to look straight to a red dot without having to get my face down to the LPVO. So I do run a backup RMR. I have a backup RMR and a lower LPVO mount so that I can put my RH25 thermal optic on here, so I do like to have that capability. This is a Surefire Scout Pro. This is the dual fuel. I believe we sell these on the website, so very nice light, very robust. I use the pressure pad here so I can access it without having to get my thumb around the top. The suppressor that I'm running is a Dead Air Sandman. I believe this one's the K. Nice can. I run it in 30 cal so I can move it across all of my different kit without having to worry about which caliber I'm putting it on. I do lose a little bit of noise suppression running 30 cal, so obviously caliber specific sound suppression is going to give you the most performance. So the mount that I've got for my RMR on here is a Reptilia. If I rebuilt this rifle, I would probably get a mount that sat on top of my rings, but the American Defense Manufacturing mounts are fantastic. I like their quick disconnect system, so I've consistently removed this from my rifle, put it back on, and my zero is, I mean, very, very close. So maybe a click or two away. So very happy with that. The sling that I'm running on here is a Blue Force Gear padded sling. I do like the padded slings. I tend to go that route. So we do a lot of sling manipulation, rifle to pistol transitions, so that padded sling helps to stop that that neck from getting torn up. So especially in the summertime when you're not wearing any sort of jacket or hooded sweatshirt or anything. You're exposed and covered in sweat, and that sling can kind of tear you up. So I do run a quick throw lever on my LPVO. I like that. I tend to keep this thing at 6, so at full magnification, and then I use my RMR for anything closer. I like to have it up top. I don't like to turn my rifle to the side. Personal preference, doesn't really matter. So pretty much sums that up. My plate carrier is a Shaw Concepts. Been running Shaw for quite some time now. I've got a few of them. I like them a lot. I think they're very comfortable. One of the reasons I went with Shaw in the first place is because they sell a full suite. So you can get everything built as you see it right here with the click of a button. So a lot of the companies make you build your own kit. And this was real easy for me. I just got on the website, picked something out, came to my house. So I really do like their kits, all laser cut, a lot of squadron, very, very comfortable. The shoulder pads are probably the best I've used, so I really do like those. Inside, I run a thinner set of plates. These are Hesco L210s, so they're level 3A special threats. So they're not level 4s, but they're a little bit nicer on the budget. And the amount of different kits that I use, so I buy multiple sets of plates, so this worked out for me. They're good plates, a little bit thinner. I know you can get lighter plates out there than those, but you end up spending 4 or 5 times the money on them. So I'd rather have quantity when it comes to armor, me personally. So that's kind of the route that I went there. This is a Juggernaut flip down phone carrier. So I like having that because I keep my phone in my back pocket. And when I've got all of my kit on, it tends to be very irritating. So I keep a Juggernaut case. I can access my phone. So some of the nods that I use, I've got some digital nods, I've got some thermals, and they stream to my phone. So being able to have this is very convenient. So obviously everything else that goes on that you need access to your phone, having that right in front of your face is very nice. Standard PMags up front. So I've got what Shaw calls their RAM insert. So it's Tegris lined, so even when your mags are out, very quick, easy indexing, those go right back in there, so I like that a lot. The radio that I run is a Motorola XTS 5000, so it is basically previous gen of standard law enforcement radios. So you can get these fairly inexpensively now compared to what they used to be. These things are absolute brick shit houses. They will last forever. Just very, very tough, robust radio. So I've got this on a quick disconnect and going to a Silinx push to talk. So connected to that, up on my headgear here, I've got a set of these are Pelters, and they are the Comtac 6s. So I've got a couple different ones. The 5s are cool. Haven't really noticed any kind of difference in audio quality between the 6s and 5s. I know they've got 7s out now. Those are supposed to be great. The 6s come with something called NIB, so you can communicate without a radio from headset to headset within a certain area. So that's pretty cool. The helmet is a Team Wendy X-Fill ballistic helmet. So comes with the Zorbium pads on the inside, which is very convenient, very comfortable rather. I do like this adjustment method here. It's very, very easy to use, and it works great. So Team Wendy makes a great helmet. I've got all Wilcox mounts up here. So this is an articulating on a, I think this is the G24. Yeah, this is the Wilcox G24 mount, so it's got the breakaway on it. keep some shock cord up here so you can hook it up to your nods. So if this does break away, you don't lose 4,000 bucks, 5,000 bucks. So that pretty much sums up the helmet. This is a brain pouch from Shaw Concepts. You get to keep some extra parts in there, little batteries, whatever else. Good piece of kit. That about sums it up. So that was a quick and dirty gear breakdown of the equipment that I use. If you guys have any questions, throw them in the comments. My gear is kind of living and breathing. If I come across something that I don't like, I'll change it out. A lot of times I'll change it out for something that I think is going to work better for me. It doesn't. I move back to this. I've been running this kit for a good long while, and it's very comfortable for me. I like everything that's on here, but always looking for new good stuff that I can throw on here. So if you guys have any recommendations, if you see something that you don't like about my kit, reach out, let me know what you think, tell me what yours looks like, and I'd love to talk to you guys. So appreciate you watching. Like, comment, subscribe, check out daraholsters.com, and we'll see you next time.